first long form video. So I'm so happy to be here with you guys, and I am going to be doing a capture the flag revolver only. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into the video.
Kill gang stuff. Let's go, team.
Let's go, team.
Get ticket off P. Diddy.
Yo, what?
You right, little boy?
Yo, what? What?
Said that. That's just like straight up gay.
I gotta cut you out the vid, bro. What the? Oh, he got launched.
Cause I'm such a green giant.
Got him. I got you, teammate. I got you.
Oh my. Why? Yeah, that was honestly a free kill. I was on my board. Can't you see? Please come rescue me! Here's little bumblebee. I know what you want from me. I'm gonna rush bro. I don't care.
Right as you say that, I no scope. Dang it, my gun was not reloaded. Let me check. Okay, we are getting into the video. Now, let's continue. Video's almost done. Let's go.
I'll go up here.
Ooga booga oozon no scope! Oh, nope, I hit a rock. I'm rushing with you, teammate. Let's go. I'll defend you.
Yo, protect our base, they're gonna kiss us! Two people! There's one in there!
Damn, I hit 155.
There's one upstairs, there's one upstairs!
I gotta respawn, I gotta respawn.
Dude, no! No, here, good job,
No, I'm rushing.
Stop. I actually have to run.
Dang it, come on.
Good freaking job.
My revolver skills. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like my editing style and just all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Revolver only captures the flag. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.